Senior global equity strategist Scott Wren. Scott, good to see you this morning. Assess the situation for us. We're looking at markets that are off of the lows this morning, but nonetheless expecting a triple-digit decline right out of the gate today.
Yeah, Maria, we're going to test this 200-day moving average, I think, pretty heavily here on the open, that should be something that people pay attention to. But, for me, what I'm trying to do and for our clients is break this down into just some basic components. And the first component that we want to do is, we want to put this in the right perspective. If you look at from the beginning of April until the high that was on September 20th, I mean, the market ran almost 14%. We barely had a pullback at the end of June. So when the market runs that hard, that far, in that short of a time, I mean, you're going to cough up some of those gains at some point. And I think that's partially what we're doing now. And it's because of concerns that we've been talking to our clients about for at least the last year and a half. In 2018, in our opinion, the two biggest risks have been, is the Fed going to make a mistake? And then is global growth going to slow down? So, I mean, I think those are exactly the concerns. Those basic concerns were later in the cycle. People are worried about higher interest rates, inflation, all those kinds of things. So, really normally I would consider, a 5% pullback. I mean, that's noise. That can happen just about on anything. And I think it's a buying opportunity down here.
But Scott, look at
So I don't know if you're buying the stock market dip. I am just staying put. I'm not selling because there could be an additional growth in the market, but I'm just going to wait and see. One thing I'm also going to be watching is if crypto prices start to go up, if the stock market continues to decline. It's one of the reasons why I was interested in crypto, and one reason why crypto was invented is as an alternative to the central bank. And obviously equities have benefited, real estate has benefited from the central bank just pumping money and raising the value of those assets. And I've always, if you've been following this channel, I've looked at crypto as kind of like a hedge and an alternative. But as you can see right now, it's been pretty flat. So it may not immediately happen, but that's what I'm watching for. But let me know your thoughts on this, and I will talk to you soon.